So you want to know how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube and actually make money? Well, pay close attention because we about to jump right into it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the results. That way you know that what I'm about to teach you actually can work. And then after that, I'm going to teach you the exact strategy so you can go out and implement this for yourself, all right? So let's take a look at these results. So if I scroll down here, you can see for this month, total items shipped 3. Total earnings $7.41, which is not bad, especially since I literally just started this Amazon Associates account. It just really comes down to really understanding what to do, and I'm gonna go over that here in this video. And then you can see I've generated 64 clicks, and we have a conversion of 4.69. Now we're gonna dive a little bit deeper into the full report so you can see the amount of revenue I actually generated for Amazon. All right, so give it a second. Okay, so if we scroll down, we can see I've actually generated Amazon $219.30. But then when you look at what I get in my commission, you can see $7.41. So now let's look at what I sold. So I sold a Logitech C920 II X Pro Stream webcam. I also sold a Nexi Go N660p. I also sold a 4K webcam. I don't know exactly which one that is, but I was actually able to sell 3. And I want to say I actually sold this, I want to say the 4K webcam I sold on my birthday, which is pretty cool, right? Which was yesterday at the time that I'm recording this video. All right, so now I'm about to teach you exactly what to do to be able to generate these type of results. All right, so the first thing you got to identify is what type of products you're already using that you bought on Amazon that associate with the type of content that you're putting out right now. So for example, I have this camera, this webcam right here, which is a Logitech C920, right? Which is the same exact webcam that you see here on the screen. So what did I do when it came to actually trying to make money with this? One of the first things I did is I went up to the name of the actual webcam. Once I got the name of the webcam, I copied it like that. I brought it over to a tool called vidIQ. I pasted it in vidIQ because I want to see how many searches on average this particular keyword gets. So we can see right here, Logitech C920, it says that it gets 260,000 searches every single month, which is crazy. So that means that you could literally sell a ton of these webcams or other webcams, because if you're familiar with how Amazon works, let's say for instance somebody clicks on your link. The moment that they click on your affiliate link, even if they don't actually get the product that they clicked on, like the one that you were recommending, anything that they buy within the next 24 hours, well, within the same 24 hours, you're gonna get a commission for it, which is pretty cool when it comes to, you know, doing affiliate marketing, right? The next step is I wanna take that same keyword and I wanna go over to an incognito browser. So I'm gonna open up YouTube over here. I'm then gonna paste the same keyword just like that. So now if you look at these top 3 ranked videos, the first thing I want to identify is how long are the top 3 ranked videos. So we can see the first video is 9 minutes and 46 seconds. The second one, which is mine, which is 9 minutes and 57 seconds. And then if we look right here, this one right here is 7 minutes and 52 seconds. So now what we want to do is we want to average the 3 of those to figure out how long we want our video to be. Once we get that number, let's just say that that number is around 8 minutes or something like that. Boom, we got that. Now the next thing we want to take a look at is the thumbnail pattern. So when we look at the thumbnail patterns, we can see right here, he's doing this, right? He got his hand up for the first ranking and he got the webcam in his hand and he's looking crazy to get your attention. And then if you look at mine's, all I did, right? I didn't even put my face in this. I thought about doing that, but I didn't put my face in it because I understand the most important thing is the webcam itself. So boom, I put best webcam under $100, and since I'm trying to attract a certain type of person, I put the YouTube logo in there to attract like somebody who's already creating content on YouTube. Then I put the actual webcam in there. So out of all the 3 that you see at the top, you can see that all of them have the webcam. That's something to keep in mind. So like if you were selling something like this or trying to rank for something, you want to put the most important thing in the thumbnail. Now the next thing you want to look at is the title patterns. So the title patterns, you can look at his title, Logitech C920 before you buy, and then you can look at mine's Logitech C920 best budget webcam for YouTube videos, and then you can look at this one, it has Logitech C920 HD webcam review. So then what you want to do is you want to create a super title that's going to stand out and allow you to break through. Now this next thing that I'm about to tell you is extremely important, and this is what YouTube really cares about the most, and that is is watch time. How long are people watching their video? So one of the easiest ways for you to figure this out is to watch their first 30 seconds of their video. When you do this, what this is identifying for you is, are they wasting people's time in the first 30 seconds? Now, some people, what they tend to do is they'll talk about what the video is about. Like, for example, if it's about the Logitech C920, they may say something like, so you want to learn more about the Logitech C920. And then some people, what they do is they be like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, do this. Oh, I was doing this and doing all of that. But what you want to do is you want to beat them to the punch. Because if they're wasting people's time in the first 30 seconds, or they're taking a minute or 2, 3, 4 minute intros, which I've seen a lot here on YouTube, you can break through as a small YouTuber, all right? So now let's move on to the next step. We want to go ahead and close out of the incognito, and then we want to go over to a tool called Morning Fame. Now, when I paste this same keyword in the Morning Fame keyword research tool, I hit search, and then it gives me these grades, right? So from here, what I want to do is I want to hit choose for step number 4. Now, keep in mind, for sake of time, I went ahead and I created a title, a description, and a tag, because as you can already see, I was actually ranking number 2 by showing you, I'm about to show you exactly what I did. You can see Logitech C920 best budget webcam for YouTube videos. And then we got my description right here. Let me show it to you with the keyword density tool. There's my keyword once. There's my keyword twice, and then this is a variation of my keyword. And then you can see I got my affiliate links because I talked about more than just one product in that video, right? That's why I have multiple affiliate links here. And then we got my keyword in there for a third time. So now you can see at the bottom, I have my hashtags, which is another way to get discovered on YouTube as well. And then down here, I got all of my tags taken care of. So if you go to my video right now, if you're using a tool like vidIQ or TubeBuddy or something like that, you'll be able to see that I'm using exactly what I'm showing you here. Now, if you want to learn exactly how you can get your videos ranked up at the top of the search engine, exactly how mine was, I put together a free training. It's going to be the first link down below in the description. That's going to take you through my processes on exactly what I do. And if you want to, move forward after that, if you feel like you need more additional help, then just go through. There'll be a button on the page, and then we can kind of schedule something so you can actually get a deeper understanding of what you need to do. All right. So with that being said, hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this video was helpful. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.